What colors are you speaking? Did you know that when you communicate as the sender or receiver, that you are exchanging information, intelligence, and frequencies? What are frequencies? Frequencies are organic energies that communicate, that sometimes connect and other times does not. What causes the disconnection is when we converse one to another, our frequencies are processed and understood subconsciously through colors. These colors represent our personalities, character, and behavior traits. These unique differences reflect the diversity of our styles when interacting and connecting with others, whether it's written, face-to-face, our tone, body language, and those unspoken words. These unique differences can influence whether or not we make a connection. And if a connection does not occur, then a disconnection is occurring. When communicating and interacting, it happens in several ways. Number one, born with, which reflects the element of who we are innately. Number two, nature versus nurture, which is the essence of how we were raised and the environment that surrounds us. Number three, transmitting, that displays how we speak and communicating. If you notice that you're not getting the results that you seek, consider the best approach to color correction. Look at ways to improve how you communicate and interact with others. The best way to do that, if you're looking to improve on how you communicate or you're not getting the results that you desire, speaking in colors is the answer. Join us and become a part of the Speaking in Colors movement.